In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Apple ID, One Protect. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. This step is essential because the Photos app is where all your images and videos are stored. As the app loads, you'll see all your albums and moments neatly organized. You might notice a variety of tabs at the bottom, like Photos, For You, and Albums, which help you navigate your media easily. This interface is user-friendly, making it easy to locate the photos you want to work with. Once you have the Photos app open, you are ready to manage your media effectively. Next, tap Select in the upper right corner. This action transforms your view, allowing you to choose multiple photos and videos. You will see checkboxes appear on your images, making it easy to mark what you want to delete. This feature is particularly useful if you need to remove several items at once, saving you time and effort. Selecting the right photos is crucial here, so take a moment to carefully choose the images you no longer wish to keep. Now, choose the photos and videos you want to remove. As you tap on each image, a checkmark will appear, indicating your selection. You can scroll through your library to find specific photos, whether they are recent snapshots or older memories. This step is important because it ensures that you only delete what you truly don't need. A thoughtful selection helps you avoid accidentally losing precious memories. Once you've made your choices, you will feel more confident moving forward. Then tap the trash can icon and confirm the deletion. This action initiates the removal process, and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure about your decision. It's important to take this moment to double-check your selections. If iCloud Photos is enabled, the photos will be deleted from all devices signed into the same Apple ID. This means that your changes will sync across all your devices, ensuring a consistent experience. To permanently remove the photos immediately, reopen the Photos app. This step is necessary to access the recently deleted album, where deleted photos are temporarily stored. You will notice that this album acts as a safety net, giving you a chance to reconsider before final deletion. It's a good practice to check this folder occasionally to manage your storage effectively. Next, scroll down and open Recently Deleted. Here you will find all the photos and videos you have recently deleted. This album usually retains your deleted items for 30 days, giving you a grace period to recover anything you might have removed by mistake. Reviewing this folder is beneficial as it helps you decide whether you truly want to erase these images permanently. At this point, unlock the album with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This added layer of security ensures that only you can make irreversible changes to your photo library. It's a small but essential step in keeping your data secure and ensuring that accidental deletions do not occur. Once unlocked, you can proceed with your deletion confidently. One Protect. Now tap Select. Similar to earlier, this prompts you to choose photos again, but this time from the recently deleted album. This step allows you to manage what you wish to permanently erase. Make sure to take your time here. You want to ensure that nothing important is lost forever. Then tap Delete All or choose specific photos and tap Delete. If you select Delete All, you will be prompted to confirm your choice. Once deleted from this album, they cannot be recovered. This final step is crucial as it signifies the end of the deletion process. Ensure that you are completely certain before proceeding, as this action is irreversible. If you want to free up iCloud storage, open Settings. This will take you to a menu where you can manage your device settings. It's essential to monitor your storage, as it can fill up quickly with photos and videos. By managing your iCloud storage, you can optimize your device's performance and ensure you have space for new memories. Next, tap your name. This will lead you to your Apple ID settings. Here you can manage various aspects of your account, including iCloud settings. It's important to be familiar with this section as it provides access to several features that impact your privacy and storage. After that, tap eCloud Manage Account Storage. This will show you a detailed breakdown of how much space your photo library is using. Understanding this data is crucial for effective storage management. You can see what takes up the most space and adjust accordingly. Finally, select photos to see how much space your photo library is using. This insight allows you to make informed decisions about what to delete next. Regularly checking this can help maintain your device's efficiency. Remember to back up any important photos before deleting anything. Apple notes that deleting a photo from one device also removes it from iCloud and every other device using the same Apple ID.